Hello friends, welcome to the channel, and today we'll learn some Linux commands and features in an interesting manner. So today we'll be executing few commands which we already know, but combination of those commands will really make things interesting, and we'll be wanting more and more to learn. So I have two virtual machine here. First one is this. We'll see the IP address. We can see here 130, and I have another machine here 131. So I have SSH connectivity on port 22 between both the virtual machines. So from this machine to this machine, ping is also working. Sorry, 168. Okay, I can ping the other system, and I can also see port 22. Yeah, port 22 is open, listening, so SSH will be working, should work. So first we'll see how to execute command remotely on other system. From this 130 machine, I am executing command on 131 machine ls-ltr. So it requires password. So we can see the file on the other system. Machine 2 is the file on the other system. Here, same file. So we are accessing from here. In another way, we can use the same command to install cron tab on the remote machine. You can see here only one command is there in the cron tab list. So from here we'll try to execute cron command. Cron tab is basically a scheduler which will schedule commands on Linux and execute on the timely basis. Like we set alarms, so in Linux we can set a command to run every minute or every 5 minutes or at particular time. So here we are going to execute this rm-rf slash test command, which will remove the test directory inside slash in the remote machine, the 131 machine. So I'll execute this, needs password, and then here we can see one more command is installed in the cron tab of the remote machine. So this will certainly remove this, or sorry, so we can see here this directory will be removed from here, and by executing this command, the ssh command, we came to know that it is really harmful if our SSH is vulnerable, and we are not configuring it well, and we are not making our system security hardened. So anybody from the remote system can execute SSH command and install this kind of command on our system, and that command will remove, maybe that can remove all the files from our system, and we'll be not knowing it. So it is recommended to configure SSH such that nobody can do brute force attack from the other system, and by using the combination of passwords and all, and we have to check the which ports are open on the system. So here we learned SSH command to execute command remotely, and also cron tab scheduler, and third feature is our security. So security means anything which can harm our system, that should be prevented. So in Windows we see that we installed antivirus and other software, but in Linux there is no need to install those antivirus software, because our file contains super blocks, and it requires root permission to execute. But yeah, certainly we have to be careful in Linux, and we have to configure it such that other users should not access our system and remove the files. So hope you liked this video, and